Hey, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to perform the CRP through the latex kit, that is the components of this is by the Atlas Medical. These are the components, and let me show you what is in the box. So this is in the box. This is basically the positive control. As you can see, this is the CRP positive control, and the next one is CRP negative control, which is basically sodium azide 0.1%, and this is basically the CRP latex reagent. This is in the 4 ml packing, and the other things we have, this is a stirring sticks. You can pull off the one stick like this. You have to pull off the one stick and you can use it. And this is basically the glass slide which is provided by the Atlas Medical. Now we are going to perform what is the sample which is required in this. For this, there is also an instruction pamphlet in the kit. So I am using a serum because it is as mentioned that you have to use the serum for this reaction. Now I will show you how to perform it. First of all, I am using there are the numbers mentioned on the glass slide. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I am using the number 1 for positive control. So I have to put a 1 drop of positive control into the circle, into the first circle which is labeled as 1, and I am using the second space for the sample, and on the third place I am placing the 1 drop of negative control. Now I have to, this is basically you have to enter a 40 microliter, around 20 to 40 microliter of sample into this. Now I am using, you can use the pipette as well, and also a disposable pipette. I am using a pipette of this, and you have to take the sample. Firstly, open it, take the serum and place it in the second circle. Now the most important step is you have to enter the CRP latex reagent in each of the circle. Always remember, you never touch the circle, as the reagent will be destroyed or out of order. Now I did it. Now I am using the wooden sticks, as I have these like this. I have to mix it well. You can use the circular motion, you can move into the clockwise direction or an anti-clockwise direction, but you have to spread it around the circle. Now I am using the second stick for the same motion. As you can see, I am spreading it in all the circle like this. And now I am using a third stick for the negative control. Just spread it. Now I spread it around. Now take the glass slide and move it in a motion like circular, clockwise or anti-clockwise. This will be the direction. You have to wait until 2 minutes. Now I will show you what are the results of this. You can see this is basically the latex agglutination method. You can see there is an agglutination in the one circle because this is a control. I can show it to you. So this is the clear picture, and this is our sample, and this is our negative control. While moving, you can see there is no agglutination in the second and third box. I am performing basically the qualitative test, whether it is positive or whether it is negative. This is the negative test. You can also perform semi-quantitative test through this kit. You can perform the semi-quantitative via serial dilution.